Hello, everyone, and welcome to the live trading room recap for Monday, October the 2nd. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. If you'd like to join our free room, and that's a free room, you don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to participate in our room. This is the link you can use. We send you an email, you create a password one time, and then you can, come into the room. If you'd like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, excuse me, a little catch in my throat. This is the link you can use. And I open the room. Oh, 1 second, please. Yeah, sorry about that. So you can enter the room, or I shouldn't say that. I start the room at 9 o'clock. That's when I start to share my screen, and I get live on the mic at 9:05. And again, it is a free room. Anyway, this has been another phenomenal day from Holly. Holly has been absolutely on fire. I'll go over some of the Holly trades that I took today. First, though, I want to talk about the Dexcom trade. Dexcom is one that we were watching, at least a lot of us in the room were watching Friday afternoon. And I ended up taking this trade at 48.60, so right about there. And I did sell some. It spiked all the way up to a little over 49. I sold some at 49, and I held the rest. I had to sort of hold on through this. This was very quick, though. And why am I doing this? Now let's take a look at the daily chart. And this got really beaten up. I can't even remember anymore why. Well, I do know why. A competitor has a drug to the market. I think it's a diabetes drug that doesn't require a finger prick. It's some kind of a better way of getting the insulin into your body. And so they got hammered on that news at a competitor. I think it's ABBV, in fact. Anyway, it doesn't really matter who it is, but they got hammered because of that. But it is, it's not like this company is going out of business, so it is trying to crawl back. So that's all I was looking at, this potential void fill. And I still have some. I did sell, as I say, I did sell some on Friday at 49 from 48.60. Not a big deal, but that kind of allowed me to hold on. And I did sell, it popped up to 50.31. On its way down, I sold some more at, where is it now? 48.60. So, I'm sorry, 49.60. So we'll have to see what happens. We'll just, I'm sorry, that's not right. Yeah, it's about 49.60, right up in this level here. So anyway, I'm holding on. I want to see if it gets back to where I bought it at 48.60. Then I will exit and then take a look a little bit later. All right, now let's take a look at some of the great trades from Holly today. And VMI for me was my star because this is the one that let me just get rid of this. This is the one that I took. Sorry about that. Having some. Just have to get the chart back here. Sorry about that. There we go. This is the one that I took. Here's the alert, 28.92. And look where it got to, 30.73. It's almost a $2 from there. I got into this one. I waited for the break of the whole number, as I usually do. I got into this one at 29.09. Right about here. Right about there is where I got in. And I did sell some on the way up, 29.39, 29.52, 30.33, and I still have some left. I don't have that much left, but I still have some left. One of the things is that this is a lifetime high. You take a look at the daily chart, and this is what I'm starting to see also is that, so I don't even have to look at, this is a lifetime high right there, and it was making lifetime highs, of course, as it's moving up. So there's no resistance to the left. One of the things I'm noticing, and as I said in the room, is that why would I take this one over another Holly alert? Well, the minute I see something making a lifetime high and it looks strong, I'm going to take it. And of course, it's in the biotech sector is just absolutely on fire. So, I'm running with the sector and running with a stock that's making a lifetime high. This is one, unfortunately, that I could not get into, the Jounce, not making a lifetime high. Oops, that's the name of the company. This is the stock symbol. Look at the alert. 1609 got as high as 1725, so a dollar. Unfortunately, the spread was a little too tough for me to get in, and but again, had the spread been a little bit better, even if it had been about 15 cents, I probably would have taken it. But at some points, it was about 35 cents, and I just couldn't bring myself to taking this one. But this one has been a big mover in the past. You can see it's been up, to back out a little bit more, but you can see it's been way up here. Holly actually has been all over this several times, and so this is just another occasion that she is looking at as a potential buy. Um, what's another one that we looked at? Another one from Holly, of course, is AL, and I'm all out of it now. But again, another lifetime high. The alert was at 43.10, got up to 43.87. Just had one little dip here and then a nice move up. So I was in the trade at 43.18. And again, people say I can't get in at the exact penny that Holly alerts it. You'll rarely see me go in when Holly alerts it. I usually, in fact, I think what happened is it dipped down and then it came up, and that's when I got in. So I always wait usually a little bit. I'm never really having to worry about, well, have I missed it by 7 cents or 10 cents, especially when it's a $40 stock. It really is in my opinion, it's inconsequential. So there it is, and I sold some at on this move here, just in case it wasn't going to hold, I sold some at 43.30, and then I just got out of it at the last bit at 43.73. Okay, so another nice trade from Holly. Let's see. I am in this one. Oh, this one is starting to move now too. I'm in this one, Axon. I'm in at, what am I in at? I'm in at 713. There was my alert at 7:10. I got in at 7:13. And why am I in that one? Again, it's one of these that was horribly beaten up. This is, I think they have an Alzheimer drug that basically failed. Unfortunately, and I know a lot of people were waiting on this one, failed on this day right here. This is just last week on September 26th. And now it's trying maybe to curl back a little bit. I mean, I'm not looking at this for any sort of a long-term hold. Maybe if it takes out, there's the high 741. It's possible that I'll sell some and maybe try to hold on for the rest. But this has got a lot of emotional baggage, so I'm not sure if I really do want to hold on to that one. And now let's take a look at EVH. All right, so EVH is the trade of the week, and I actually came up with the trade of the week this week. Steve Gomez, who normally does it, does a fabulous job at creating the trades of the week every week. Because of the TI Summit this weekend, he was really tied up. So we asked for some help, and I said, okay, I don't mind, looking at some stocks. So, this is one that I was watching last week anyway. So I decided, okay, EVH, if it broke 1835, has this, potential gap fill, and I put the stop at the low of that candle there, which is about 1745. But also, Holly had this alerted 4 days ago. And so I looked at this and I thought, okay, Holly had this alert. As you know, Holly gets out of every single trade by the end of the day. It had a nice follow through. That would have been last Thursday. Friday, the little bit of a pullback. So I thought, you know what, if it can take out the high of Thursday, it may have a resumption in the trend. So that's why I decided to choose it as the trade of the week. Even if I hadn't seen this, but seeing that Holly looked at this not that long ago, I thought, okay, Holly saw something here, and as I said in the little preamble to the trade of the week, Holly's looking at stocks for multi-day runs, even though she gets out of everything by the end of the day, so she can compare herself on a statistical basis to the SPY every day. It doesn't mean that it's the end of the run. So anyway, that was the reason I chose this one as the trade of the week, and we'll see how it goes. It's finally maybe trying to make that 1850. It's taking a bit of time to get through it, but we'll see what happens.
Order partially filled.
And I just sold some more.
Order filled.
Sorry, I just bought some more. Notice there, I just bought some more at 1850. I'm going to try to, again, this is a swing trade, so I'm share sizing accordingly. So we'll have to see what happens. I already have a position, and now I've just added to it. And my stop at 17, whatever I said, is about $1 away. All right, well that's it. I'm going to go back into the room, of course, and just join in. I mean, there's been so much fantastic things happening. Holly has been on fire. Holly's been really, last week, I think Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, the only down day she had was on Wednesday, and today she is following through. So this has just been a great, great, run that Holly has had. Anyway, that is it. I will, let's see, bring back the screen capture. And again, you want to send me an email, this is the email address. And you want to go into our free trading room. You just use that link, create a password one time, and you don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to participate in the room. And this is the subscription link. And again, I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, and that's when I'll start to share my screen. I get live on the mic at 9:05, and I usually run to about 3:30. Thanks for listening, everybody, and I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye.